Hi guys, it is Thursday. I hope everyone's day is off to an amazing start. Thanks so much for stopping in today, guys. Today I wanted to come in and share with you all of the details about my hair. These are spring twists. First things first, all right? I paid for this hair with my own money, all right? My own money. I purchased this hair. All right, so where did I purchase this hair from? I purchased this hair, guys, on Amazon.com, of all places. Did you guys know that you could purchase hair on Amazon? Amazon is taking over the world, all right? So now we're able to buy hair on Amazon, all right? So the company that I purchased my hair from was Beyond Beauty. I love this hair so stinking much, guys. So what you get when you order your hair from Beyond Beauty, these are spring twists, all right? They come packaged just like this. Well, this is the package, and of course I will insert pictures, but you get, guys, 3 of these packs in one envelope. So for $23, you get 3 packs of hair. All right, 3 packs of hair. And again, this is what your spring twist looks like. Do you see how bouncy these spring twists are? This hair is so fluffy, so bouncy, so soft, so light. I love it. So 3 packs for $23. I actually ordered 2 packs. So 3 packs come in one, and I ordered 2 for a total of 6 packs of hair, and I only used 3, so that means I have 3 packs of hair left over to do this all over again. $23, 3 packs of hair. My total came to around 47, 48 bucks when you include shipping and everything, because again, I purchased, 2 orders for a total of 6 packs of hair. So again, this is the hair. All right, so I'm not going to belabor this because I know you guys just want to get to the details. If you're watching this video to learn how to do this, you came to the right place. I won't belabor the point. All right, so the products that I use for my twist, you guys know that my hair is the proverbial finger length, all right? Not even a whole pinky length of hair do I have, but somehow, by the grace of God, I was able to put these twists in my hair myself. Now, did it take all day? Yes. Yes, it took me all day to do. There was that learning curve. I had never done this before, and I have a household that I'm trying to run. So, every couple of hours I had to get up and go fix a meal, take somebody here or there. So it took me a while, all right? But it's not difficult to do at all. I did not stretch my hair. I felt that leaving my hair in its kinky state would be perfect for it to kind of, match the spring twist situation that I have going on. All right, so the first thing that I used was this Jane Carter Solution Revitalizing Leave-In Conditioner. This is what I use to kind of moisturize or saturate my hair. I followed that up with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. So the white stuff that I'm kind of massaging into my hair, that's what this is, and it really helped to soften it up and prepare it for the twist. And as I was twisting my hair into the spring twist, when I got to the edge, where I no longer had my own personal hair, I used a little bit of the Coconut Eco Styler Gel, all right? So, and then that's it. To maintain my scalp, I also used the Shea Moisture 100% Pure Shea Oil just to put on my scalp, guys. But, so to start out, all I did was section my hair with my fingers. I did not use a comb. I didn't want the parts to be super neat. I wanted to just look, really haphazardly natural, if that is a term. All right, so I sectioned my hair with my fingers. I sprayed on some of the Jane Carter Revitalizing Leave-In Conditioner just to moisten my hair. Again, I did not blow dry it. I did not stretch it, okay? I let it air dry, sprayed that on, and then I put on the Shea Moisture Restore and Strengthen Leave-In Conditioner, and I just kind of twirled my own hair around, and it made just this little perfect ringlet, all right? So after that, I took one of the twists, and what you want to do is kind of like stretch it. All right, you want to pull it and kind of pop the curls, and then as you can see here, it starts to get really fat and fluffy. All right, and you just want to do that until the entire length of the twist looks like that. And I have to say, this was actually the hardest part. This was actually the most time-consuming part, because if you can imagine, you had to do this particular step for each twist, all right? And so depending on how thick or how thin you want your twist, you kind of divide it. I used 1/2 for each twist, all right? And you just pull it apart like that, a really quick snap. And there you have your two pieces. And what I also did to make the hair a little bit more manageable was I took my spray bottle and I sprayed the length of the twist so that it could, you know, be a little bit more manageable. And I just placed it on my finger just like this, guys. Just like that. Just like that. You can see that? And then I just braided it into my own hair. And that was it, guys. A really simple process. I started at the back of my hair, worked my way up to the front. I love this hair because there's no specific way or direction you have to twist. When you get to the end of your twist, it just coils around itself and you're done. You don't have to dip this hair. It is really soft. You know, some of this hair, you know, the twisting or your Marley hairs, they can be really rough on your fingers and stuff, but this was just really soft. At night, I just kind of put it up into a ball, put on my satin bonnet, and that is it. I have really been having a fun time with these twists, guys. I will absolutely be doing these again.